Hey guys, so I just completed my first day of microblading school. It is a 3-day school, the one that I am doing right now, and it is intense. Like, you learn so much stuff. It was a lot harder than I expected it was gonna be. Oh, my phone's ringing. Yeah, that's awesome.
Oh, that little hobby test, but that was it.
Yeah.
Yeah?
There's only like 9 people in my class.
I think he's his door, and then he goes home.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
That sounds like fun.
Mommy.
Hee I can't wait to see you. So, like I was saying, the microblading class was from 9 o'clock in the morning to 5 in the morning, 5 in the afternoon. And basically we just learned about like what microblading is. We learned about like natural strokes because you obviously don't want it to look like you got your eyebrows tattooed. But as you guys know, I've always struggled with my eyebrows and I just love learning about beauty. So yeah, so I really wanted to do this class and I'm so happy that I completed day 1. I have some homework to do later and I have a lot of practice to do because this is intensive. Like, you honestly have to know so much stuff, and I don't know. It's just like, it's difficult for me because I've never learned anything about microblading before, and it's basically tattooing. I don't know, like, it's just crazy. It's like a permanent cosmetic procedure, so there's just a lot that goes into it, and then like the fact that I only have 3 days to learn. It's kind of stressful, but I am confident in myself that I will get through and get better because literally I sucked so bad today. I was practicing my strokes and it was just really difficult for me, but I don't know. I feel like I'm gonna get better at it, just practice, because literally anything takes practice. But anyways, I just wanted to tell you guys about my day 1 experience, and yeah, I'll probably come on here tomorrow and give you guys an update, or maybe vlog, we shall see. Hey guys, so this was day 2. I honestly didn't have any time to vlog except for this footage. Day 2, I was just really focused on practicing my strokes and really just paying attention and taking everything in, and that's exactly what I did. Right here, this was just one of the old students from a different class, and she just came on here to get a retouch. And yeah, Lily is a boss. She literally can microblade anybody. Like, she is so friggin' good. But yeah, it was just so amazing getting to experience this because this procedure is just crazy, you guys, and it is just so amazing. Hey guys, Katie here. So it is day 3 of my microblading school. I know I look like, especially in this angle. I just finished my last microblading class and I am exhausted, you guys. Like, you have no idea the level of exhaustion that I have exceeded. So yeah, but as you can tell, something's different about me. I got microbladed, oh my god. And literally one of the girls from my class, she microbladed like a boss. Like, look at these strokes. She did such a good job. The teacher helped her too, but she honestly did so good. And I'm supposed to go and meet up with that student in like 30 days. Oh, to get my retouch. But yeah, I'm just gonna give you guys like a quick recap of my microblading school basically. So I went to America Microblading Academy. It's called AMA, like for short, of course. And yeah, I just found them on the internet because I really, really wanted to start microblading because I heard that they make a ton of money. And I literally do not make enough money right now. Like, I barely make off of YouTube. So I just wanted to do a career that I thought was cool and paid really good. So I'm really happy that I went. The cost was $3,900, so $3,000 for the class, and then the $900 deposit. So there's like a deposit to save your seat. So if this is something you really want, definitely like save your seat. These people travel everywhere, all across the states, and they just teach people how to microblade. I'm not gonna lie, this really like took it out of me. Like, this was so much work, and I just didn't realize how much work it was going to be, and I still have work to do. Like, I got my certificate of attendance. Next, I just have to practice and basically start submitting my work to AMA, and if and when they think that I'm ready, they're gonna go ahead and send me my my certificate of completion. And then from there, I can start looking for jobs and basically charging people for microblading. One of the requirements that I have to do to get my certificate of completion is I have to, I basically have to map out a bunch of eyebrows on some latex skins, and then I will submit it to AMA, and they will basically give me the go if I'm good enough. So basically right here, this was day 1, and this was just my instructor basically telling me how to map out the eyebrows. And then the other way that I have to get my certificate of completion is I have to work on 10 people. So I have to microblade 10 different people, which kind of freaks me out, but I did practice on my mom today. She was my live model. So as you can see right here, the instructor was doing the first set of strokes on my mom after we mapped out her eyebrows, and then towards the end I basically did like the second and third sets for my mom's brows, but I mainly focused on opening the cuts and focusing on her tail because that's where she didn't have any hair growth at all. So right here, we just put the pigment on to stay for a little bit. These were my mom's brows before. As you can see, very sparse, not that much shape. And these are after, so they look a lot more full. She actually looks a lot more youthful now that her eyebrows are microbladed, and I'm just obsessed with how they turned out on her. So I did get a little bit of practice in. I will be retouching her eyebrows in about 30 to 60 days. And yeah, until then, I'm just gonna be practicing like crazy because as exhausting and stressful this school was, like, it was so much fun, and I literally learned so many new things. I had no idea, like, what microblading was, like how intense the training was or anything. Like, I have barely gotten any sleep these past 3 days, but it's okay. I don't know, this was like a really, really great experience. I don't know, if microblading seems like something that you guys want to do, definitely do your research. I'm here to tell you that AMA, it is legit, and you can also go back, like, after you graduate, you can go back to their other classes too. just to like learn more if you didn't learn enough the first time. But anyways, this angle is terrifying, but I'm so exhausted. But I had so much fun, you guys. So basically today, the teacher helped me like map out my mom's eyebrows. I did a pretty good job mapping it out, so good job, Katie. I need to work on my strokes, so that's definitely something that I'm going to practice. Ugh, I'm so exhausted, you guys. Like, but I'm really, really happy about the way that my eyebrows turned out. What do you guys think? This before wasn't there. These are all strokes. So these are tattoos. Oh my god. I really, really like it. I will keep you guys updated on my eyebrows. But yeah, everyone was really, really nice. I think that's all I have to say. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!